I've been working on the Caledon automation project here in Caledon, Ontario.
Internally, this building is what we call a Better Together building. So there's PepsiCo Foods products as well as PepsiCo beverage products in the building.
Working on this automation journey for several years. The topic of getting a Better Together warehouse in Caledon came up and automating that process with a 3PL such as Ryder.
Part of the play from a beverage perspective was density. So, that's racking the whole facility is, 26 feet high.
Before, we had pallets stacked on top of each other. You could only stack 2 or maybe 3 high, whereas now we have the ability to put multiple pallets into that space. So if you keep it simple, you've got a building, we're using more of the 3D space in the building. In the GTA, with the way real estate prices are, that is a huge advantage to just being able to put more pallets in the same space.
My name is Justin Jacob, and I'm the Group Logistics Manager for Ryder Logistics. We have our warehouse management software called Scale. It manages all the pallets in and out of the building, tracks them systemically, and then we have bodies on physical fork trucks that are moving them in and out of the building.
Nathan Hobbs, I'm the IT project manager for Ryder Logistics. This project is the E80 automation for Pepsi, so it's integrating with Ryder's warehouse management system to this massive, huge, fantastic automation we see outside. Our job is essentially to design out with E80 and Pepsi the solution, the processes that the folks on the floor do every day.
Whenever you have to convert a 700,000 square foot warehouse from a manual operation to an automated operation while still shipping product to the consumer, and especially with COVID delays pushing into your busiest periods, I think that just adds a whole new element.
This is the first major LGV installation that we've had on the direct warehouse delivery part of the business.
Started Q1 of 2017 from ideation of the project right through to RFP and then taking it to our board of directors.
So in this warehouse, we had to physically empty all the product for the LGVs to put that product back.
You can count on the automation doing directionally 300 missions per hour for every hour it operates.
The docks are manually run, and then we have inbound conveyors where the pallet is dropped on the inbound conveyor by the manual forklift. It goes through a profiler, is scanned, and then the LGV picks it up.
What I think differentiates this vendor and this solution more than anything is the smarts behind the traffic management, as well as the intelligence coming out of these vehicles.
So all the operations are managed by a software. Every time we go to pick or drop a pallet, we use specific cameras and sensors to make sure we do the right operation and we are very precise.
Safety was top of mind in literally everything we did. It's as safe, if not safer, than a manual environment.
The LGV is very predictable. You know exactly what it's going to do all the time.
So this is definitely an opportunity to really reduce your costs and find efficiencies. Automation doesn't really make a mistake.
Automation is the future. It's nice to be on the front of where the organization's going.
The ability to be efficient and to always guarantee service, being able to be in control of your destiny in this space is very important.
When you see an organization like ours invest to the level we have in a building like this, it's the organization investing in the future, my family's future.